Here's how to restrict set lists on BookLive to only specific songs so that when you or your clients are picking music for their performance, they don't have access to songs that do not work for this specific performance. This is especially helpful if, for example, you have different group configurations and you want to restrict it. Say the client only hired a duo, yet you have music libraries that work for a quartet or bigger. It's helpful in that instance to eliminate all but the duo songs from their ability to choose so that they only pick songs that actually work for the duo. So this requires that you have an active BookLive account and you've set up your act on BookLive, and that you've set up a performance on BookLive. Additionally, it requires that you have set up your act in the act configurations so that you have specific configurations for specific songs. Additionally, once you have the configurations set up, you'll want to make sure that specific songs are tagged with that configuration. For example, here I have it tagged with the electric violin configuration. Once you've done that, then go ahead and in the specific performance, go to the timeline tab. And ideally, you'll have your timeline already set up for this particular performance. If you scroll down to the bottom of the timeline tag or the timeline tab, you will see two specific restrictions. One is the allowed song lists, and the other is group configurations. Allowed song lists is specific folders that you would like them to be able to choose from. For example, in this act, I've got a default collection where all of my music goes into, or the top 200 most popular songs, which is the way that I started out this particular act when I added it to BookLive. I typically don't use allowed song lists, but it is helpful now to use the group configurations. So go ahead and click the plus sign next to group configurations, and you will see a drop down with the different configurations that you've tagged your songs with. Go ahead and click on the appropriate configuration. Here I'm going to click electric violin and click add, and that now will restrict all of the songs that we pick in this performance and the songs that your clients can pick in this performance to just songs in the electric violin configuration. And that is how to restrict songs for a specific performance to a specific configuration.